Hello and welcome to Lesson 10 of the Creative Online School's Mastering Adobe Lightroom course. In the last tutorial, I taught you how to use the radial filter to enhance your subjects in Lightroom. In this lesson, I will teach you how to use the adjustment brush. This tutorial is brought to you by Creative Online School. The adjustment brush is the most local and most targeted filter tool that Lightroom has to offer. You can use the adjustment brush to make part of your image stand out from the rest, or you can use it to make corrections to a specific part of your image. I often use it to enhance eyes, whiten teeth, or bring out certain colors while dulling out others. I'm going to make some adjustments to this photo using the adjustment brush. I'm going to use it to correct the color of this cat's coat. When I edited this picture using the basic adjustments tool, my new white balance made the cat reflect a rather pinkish tint. I'm going to fix this and enhance the cat's coat as well without disturbing the rest of the image's color scheme. The adjustment brush is located on the far right-hand side of your Develop module, above your Basic Adjustments pane and just to the right of the radial filter. Alternatively, you can just press your K key and Lightroom will open the adjustment brush for you. As with the graduated and radial filters, you can choose from several of the effects Lightroom lists by default, or you can make your own custom effect. That's what I'm going to do because there is not one single effect that will fix this picture for me on its own. You can also select a preset and just tweak that one. I'm going to start with tweaking the tint. Before we start to paint, let's look at the other options. Below all of the sliders, there are 3 different brushes to choose from. The A and the B brush are both customizable in terms of size, feather, flow, and density. You can make your brushes larger or smaller by using the size slider, or you can also scroll up and down with your mouse to increase or decrease its size respectively. Increasing your feather size will smoothen the transition between the edge of your brush and the surrounding area. It basically evens out the pixels between the edge of the adjustment brush and the pixels that you're not editing. The flow refers to the speed of your brush's application. If you use a high flow, your adjustments will be painted onto your image immediately. If you stroke with a low flow, the changes will be applied slowly. My A brush has the auto mask checked. That means that I'm giving Lightroom the responsibility of edge detection. That way, I won't have to worry about applying my changes to other objects that share edges with the subject I'm working with. This is only useful if there is a large contrast or visible difference between the objects, because Lightroom has to be able to detect the edges. The density slider adjusts the opacity of your adjustment brush. There is only one erase brush and you can't change its density, but you can adjust the size, feather, and flow of its brush and strokes. Now it's time to paint. As you can see, the cat is turning red. That's not because I'm painting him red, it's because I've selected the Show Selected Mask overlay box at the bottom of the workspace. It's a really good tool to use for getting a better idea of where you're actually painting because sometimes the changes can be hard to see. But I don't want to apply these settings to the green background. That's where the auto mask comes in handy. I can pretty much just paint over my cat without worrying about the edges. However, the auto mask sometimes does detect borders in places where there aren't any, so it's a good idea to go back and repaint areas like this. I still try to be careful when I paint over the edges when I use the auto mask because it can make mistakes. Now, let's go in with the B brush and repaint the areas that the auto mask missed. When I'm finished, I can uncheck the Show Selected Mask overlay box to see the changes I've made. Congratulations! You should now feel confident using Lightroom's adjustment brush. I love this tool and I hope that you enjoy exploring it too. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please leave a comment and we will get back to you as soon as possible. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to export your photos, and I will teach you how to do so both with a watermark and without one. This course is brought to you by Creative Online School.